Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Onus TV. So guys, today I said let me share with you this wonderful amazing leaf in my compound. This leaf is so amazing. I don't know the name you call it in your area. We call it the blood of Jesus Christ leaf in my area, in my zone. So if you know this leaf and you know the name is called in your country, in your area, just comment it on the comment section for others to know the leaf. This leaf have amazing benefits. This leaf, this leaf you can use it to boost your PCV, can use it to boost your blood level. If you take this leaf, no more sickness in your body. This leaf will flush out all every sickness at all that is in your system. If I take it inside now and boil it, you see the color of the leaf. You really know that yes, this is blood of Jesus. Yeah, we call it blood of Jesus in my area. I don't really know the name they call it. So that's why I'm just filming it for you guys to see. So let me just take some and go and boil it just to show you how this leaf is. The leaf is so amazing, so amazing. If you have anyone that is sick around you that they said is short of blood, or you see typhoid, malaria, and all of that, just boil this leaf for that person, and you see that everything, you just flush everything out from your system. Okay, guys, just cut enough that will be enough for you to drink one. So as you can see, I'm putting it from this stem. So just pick and pick it. After picking it, go and wash it very well. I don't want the video to be too long. That's why I did not clean that side. Just wash it very well. Put your pencil or your pot on the fire. Then just wash the leaves and pour. Wash the leaves and pour it inside the pot. Just add it to the pot. Then you're going to add just 1 glass of water depending on the quantity of the leaf. So this one is not much, so and I just want to keep it once. I don't want to preserve any. I don't want to put any inside the fridge for later. So I just want to take it once. That's why I just uh, put small. So I just add 1 glass of water. As you can see, the leaf is boiling already on the fire. Just check and see. You see the color becoming out. It looks like as in exactly like blood. You see, the leaf is very nice. It's very medicinal. If you are feeling feverish, if you have it in your compound, just boil it and drink it. Everything will go. If your PCV is low, maybe you have any pregnant woman around you that they say the PCV is low, just recommend this leaf for the pregnant woman because she will take it 3 times. When she go back to the hospital, everything will be normal. So guys, still boiling it. You just boil it for about 10 to 15 minutes. As you can see, I'm pouring it inside the cup. See the color. That's just the color. I did not add any color to it. Look like blood, exactly like blood. That's how it is. You can add milk to it, liquid milk to take it. If you cannot take it like that, you can add more to it. If you know you cannot drink it like that, but everybody that I've recommended it for, they said they like the taste. It's not bitter, it's just tasteless. So they said they like the taste, no odor, it's just okay. So if you know you cannot drink it ordinary like this, just add malt or milk to it to drink so to still work perfectly. As you can see, I'm drinking it. Yeah, just to show you that it's okay. I did not just boil it just for video sake, but I just want to drink it. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload an easy video. Just recommend it. If you will even testify of it. Just try it. If you know the name of the leaf, please comment it on the comment section for others to see it. Thank you. God bless.